What if I told you that you can start making real money online without spending a single dollar? I'm serious. No buying ads, no creating products, no investing in fancy tools. All you need are the skills you might already have, a little bit of effort, and an internet connection. Today, I'm breaking down 10 totally legit ways to make money online with zero money up front. These methods are perfect for beginners, they're proven to work, and people all over the USA are using them right now to build an income. So, if you're broke but you're motivated to change that, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. First up, tip number 1, freelancing. This is the simplest model out there. Your skills equal money. You don't need cash to start, you just need a skill. And chances are, you already have one. Think about it. Are you good at writing, graphic design? Maybe you can edit videos, manage social media accounts, do voiceovers, or even simple data entry. Something you already know how to do can be monetized today. The best part? You can start on completely free platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Commerce, just create a profile, list your service, and you're in business. Even if you're a total beginner, you can offer simple, low-cost services to build your portfolio and reviews. As you get better and gain experience, you can charge more. It's a direct path from skill to cash. All right, tip number 2 is affiliate marketing. This sounds complicated, but it's not. Affiliate marketing simply means you promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. The big misconception here is that you need a fancy website and a huge budget. Absolutely not. You can start for free using social media. Think TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even sharing helpful advice in Facebook groups. You can find free affiliate programs everywhere. Amazon Associates is a huge one, letting you promote millions of products. There are also platforms with digital products that offer high commissions. The key is to create valuable content that helps people, not just spamming your links. Share a review, a tutorial, or a comparison, and the sales will follow. Moving on to tip number 3, print on demand. This is perfect for the creative folks out there who don't want to deal with logistics. With print on demand, you create the designs, and a third-party company handles everything else. Let me spell it out. There's no inventory to hold, which means no upfront costs. You don't have to buy a single t-shirt. And you don't have to deal with packing and shipping. When a customer orders, the company prints your design on the product and ships it directly to them. You just collect the profit. You can use amazing free tools like Canva to create designs for shirts, mugs, phone cases, posters, you name it. Then you connect your designs to free platforms like Printify or Redbubble. It's a completely hands-off business model once you've uploaded your designs. Next, we have tip number 4, online surveys and microtasks. Now let's be real. This method won't make you rich overnight. It's not going to replace your full-time job, but it is a real, legitimate way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. There are websites that will pay you for your opinion through surveys, for watching short ads, or for completing other simple online tasks. Think of it as pocket money. It's great for absolute beginners who just want to see that first dollar come in online, or for anyone who wants a low-effort side income while they're building up bigger, more valuable skills. Okay, tip number 5 is one of my personal favorites, content creation. This means starting a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, or even a free blog. The best part? You don't need money to start. You need consistency. You can create content about anything you're passionate about. Document your journey of learning a new skill. Create tutorials for things you already know. Review products, talk about motivation, or explore new AI tools. The possibilities are endless, and you can start filming with just your smartphone. As your audience grows, you open up multiple income streams. You can earn money from ads, affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, and eventually by selling your own products or services. It's a long game, but the payoff can be life-changing. This leads us perfectly into tip number 6, online tutoring or coaching. If you know something that other people are struggling with, you can teach it. You are an expert in something, whether you realize it or not. Are you fluent in English? You can teach it to speakers of other languages. Are you a math whiz? Help students who are struggling. Maybe you're great at fitness, playing a musical instrument, or coding. Someone out there needs your help. You don't need a fancy setup. You can use free video conferencing tools like Zoom or Google Meet for your sessions. Promote yourself on your social media channels or sign up for free on tutoring platforms that connect you with students. You're turning your knowledge directly into income. Now for tip number 7, selling digital products. This is an incredibly powerful business model because digital products cost $0 to create, and you can sell them an infinite number of times. What kind of digital products? Think ebooks, checklists, templates for social media, digital planners, or even Notion dashboards. If you can solve a problem for someone and package it into a digital file, you can sell it. Use free tools like Google Docs or Canva to create them. Then you can list them for sale on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. It's the ultimate passive income stream. You create it once and it can make you money while you sleep. Tip number 8 is becoming a virtual assistant, or a VA. In today's digital world, business owners, entrepreneurs, and content creators are overwhelmed. They desperately need help with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, posting on social media, or doing research. You don't need a specific degree or years of experience to get started. What you do need are good organization and communication skills. If you're reliable and can follow instructions, you can be a virtual assistant. Start by reaching out to small creators or online businesses and offering your services. You can find your first client without spending a dime. Let's talk about tip number 9, reselling and flipping. And no, I don't mean you need to go out and buy a bunch of inventory. You can start this with literally $0. How? First, look around your own home. You probably have old electronics, clothes, or books that you don't use anymore. List them on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. That's pure profit. You can also find free items on local community pages or Craigslist's free section, clean them up, and flip them for a profit. There are even digital products with resale rights that you can acquire for free and sell. This is all about hustle and effort, not money. And finally, the most important tip of all. Tip number 10, learn high-income skills for free. The internet is the largest, most powerful, and completely free university in the world. The barrier to learning is gone. You can learn incredibly valuable skills like copywriting, which is writing that sells, search engine optimization, or SEO, to help websites rank on Google, advanced video editing, AI prompting, digital marketing. The list goes on. Where do you learn this? YouTube. Just YouTube. There are experts giving away free courses and tutorials on every topic imaginable. All you have to do is invest your time, watch, practice, and apply what you learn. Your dedication to learning a free skill will directly translate into your future income. Now, before we wrap up, I have a crucial bonus tip for you. Do not try to do all 10 of these things at once. That's the fastest way to get overwhelmed and quit. The secret to success is focus. Pick one method from this list that excites you the most, just one, and commit to it. Go all in for 30 to 60 days. The biggest reason people fail to make money online is because they give up right before they about to see results. Don't let that be you. Commit, be consistent, and you will see progress. If you found any of this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It takes a second, but it really helps the channel reach more people, and I want to hear from you. Comment below and let me know. Which one of these methods are you going to start today? If you want more practical videos on how to make money online with zero capital, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.